Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please yours also pray for me. I hope waiting my latest video so the wait is over. Today I am sharing with you beautiful crochet cat bed ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, beautiful pattern, beautiful ideas. Most demanding crochet collection. Beautiful cat bed, cat cave, beautiful cat house ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, beautiful pattern, and different designing, different shapes. Very nice, beautiful pattern. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification of all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work and good mint section. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and peace be upon you.